Welcome back to Auto Analysis Hub. Today, we're taking a look at one of the most unusual and creative camper concepts ever built on three wheels. If you think you've seen every type of RV, camper van, and mobile home out there, this machine is about to change your mind. Meet Kevin Cyr's insane camper Tricycle, a tiny home on wheels that combines artistic imagination, practical living space, and the freedom of bicycle travel into one unforgettable package. This extraordinary camper Tricycle is unlike anything currently available on the market. Instead of focusing on speed, luxury, or off-road capability, it emphasizes simplicity, mobility, and the idea that even a bicycle can become a fully functional living space. Created by artist Kevin Cyr, this camper Tricycle has attracted attention worldwide because of its unique design and creative engineering. At first glance, it looks like a miniature RV attached to a large tricycle frame. The oversized camper body immediately grabs attention wherever it goes. People often stop and stare because it appears impossible that such a structure can actually move down the road under pedal power. Yet despite its unusual appearance, the concept demonstrates how transportation and housing can be combined in an incredibly compact package. Starting with the exterior design, the camper Tricycle features a box-shaped structure mounted on a reinforced three-wheel platform. The design resembles a small motorhome shrunk down to bicycle size. Large side panels, miniature windows, and a compact roof create the appearance of a genuine RV. Every detail contributes to the illusion that you're looking at a traditional camper, just scaled down dramatically. The front section contains the rider's position, where the cyclist controls steering and pedaling. Unlike conventional bicycles, the rider sits ahead of the camper body, giving better visibility and control. The oversized rear section houses the living area, making the vehicle both transportation and accommodation in one package. One of the most impressive aspects of the exterior is its attention to detail. Small windows, decorative trim, realistic RV-style proportions, and carefully crafted body panels make the camper feel authentic. It demonstrates how creativity can transform a simple tricycle into a rolling piece of functional art. The structure itself appears surprisingly durable. The frame is designed to support the weight of both the camper body and its occupant. While it may not be intended for high-speed travel or rough terrain, it showcases remarkable engineering considering its unconventional purpose. Moving to the interior, this is where the camper Tricycle becomes truly fascinating. Space is obviously limited, but Kevin Cyr designed the living compartment to maximize every available inch. The tiny interior creates a cozy environment suitable for short-term camping, resting, or simply enjoying a unique travel experience. Inside, occupants will find a compact sleeping area designed for one person. The bed arrangement utilizes the available floor space efficiently, while still providing enough room to relax. Although it cannot compete with larger RVs, it successfully delivers the essentials needed for a minimalist camping lifestyle. Natural light enters through strategically placed windows, helping prevent the interior from feeling cramped. During daylight hours, these windows brighten the cabin and create a more comfortable atmosphere. Proper ventilation also improves overall comfort, especially during warmer weather conditions. Storage space is limited but intelligently arranged. Small compartments and built-in storage areas allow travelers to carry basic necessities such as clothing, food supplies, tools, and personal belongings. For minimalist adventurers, the available storage may be sufficient for extended journeys. The interior design focuses heavily on practicality rather than luxury. There are no massive entertainment systems, expensive appliances, or elaborate furniture pieces. Instead, the camper prioritizes essential functions while maintaining the smallest possible footprint. One of the biggest advantages of this design is its self-contained nature. The rider essentially carries a personal shelter everywhere they travel. This concept appeals strongly to people interested in alternative living arrangements, bicycle touring, and sustainable transportation. Now let's discuss performance. Unlike traditional RVs powered by gasoline or diesel engines, the camper Tricycle relies primarily on human power. This immediately changes how performance should be evaluated. Instead of acceleration figures or top speed numbers, the focus shifts toward efficiency, practicality, and mobility. The Tricycle configuration offers greater stability than a standard bicycle. Three wheels provide improved balance, especially when carrying the additional weight of the camper structure. This makes the vehicle more manageable at low speeds and while stationary. Pedaling performance naturally depends on rider fitness, terrain conditions, and cargo weight. Because of the camper body's size, wind resistance becomes a significant factor. Strong headwinds may present challenges during long-distance travel, but this is expected given the vehicle's unique design. The gearing system is designed to help riders manage the additional weight while maintaining reasonable movement. While nobody should expect sports bike performance, the camper tricycle successfully fulfills its intended role as a slow-moving, mobile shelter. Another major advantage is its environmental friendliness. Since it operates primarily through human power, emissions are effectively eliminated during use. This makes it an attractive concept for eco-conscious travelers seeking sustainable transportation alternatives. Maintenance requirements are also considerably lower than those associated with conventional RVs. Without a complex engine, transmission, or fuel system, upkeep focuses mainly on bicycle components such as tires, brakes, chains, and bearings. This simplicity helps reduce ownership costs over time. Comfort during travel is surprisingly respectable considering the vehicle's unconventional design. The tricycle layout contributes to stability, while the rider position offers decent visibility. Long-distance comfort would depend largely on road conditions and rider endurance, but the concept demonstrates practical usability. Safety is another interesting aspect. The larger camper body improves visibility to other road users compared with ordinary bicycles. Drivers are more likely to notice such a unique vehicle, potentially improving awareness on public roads. Now let's talk about pricing. This is where things become complicated because Kevin Cyr's camper tricycle is primarily an artistic and conceptual creation rather than a mass-produced commercial product. There is no official manufacturer price or dealership network offering these vehicles for sale. If a similar custom-built camper tricycle were commissioned today, costs could vary dramatically depending on materials, engineering complexity, labor expenses, and customization options. Estimates could easily range from several $1,000s to tens of thousands of dollars for a professionally constructed version. Custom fabrication represents the largest expense. Building a lightweight yet durable camper body requires specialized craftsmanship. Additional costs would include reinforced frames, custom components, interior furnishings, lighting systems, storage solutions, and safety equipment. If future manufacturers decide to commercialize similar concepts, production costs could potentially decrease through mass manufacturing. However, given the niche nature of the product, it would likely remain a specialty vehicle aimed at enthusiasts rather than mainstream consumers. What truly makes Kevin Cyr's camper tricycle special is not its speed, luxury, or affordability. Its greatest strength lies in challenging traditional ideas about transportation and housing. It encourages people to think differently about mobility, sustainability, and personal freedom. In an era where vehicles continue growing larger and more expensive, this tiny home on wheels offers a completely different perspective. It demonstrates that adventure does not necessarily require massive motorhomes or expensive travel setups. Sometimes creativity and imagination can create experiences that are even more memorable. For artists, bicycle enthusiasts, minimalist travelers, and fans of innovative design, this camper tricycle represents a fascinating blend of functionality and artistic expression. It stands as proof that practical transportation can also be a work of art. Overall, Kevin Cyr's insane camper tricycle remains one of the most unique camper concepts ever created. Its eye-catching exterior, cleverly organized interior, environmentally friendly performance, and unforgettable presence make it a truly remarkable project. While it may never replace traditional RVs or camper vans, it succeeds in inspiring curiosity and redefining what a mobile home can be. Thanks for watching Auto Analysis Hub. If you enjoyed this review of the tiny home on wheels Kevin Cyr's insane camper tricycle, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest reviews of the world's most innovative vehicles and camper concepts. We'll see you in the next one.